Hey guys, how's it going? This video is going to be quick, but this is very important. So I want to teach you guys how to read a T like a boss. So when I first got onto the job, I started off in the supply house and I sold fittings first before I ever went out into the field. When you're selling fittings to professionals, you need to know how to call a T correctly. Otherwise, you're going to send someone the wrong item and they're going to be very unhappy. So the phrase that I learned that has carried me through all these years in reading a T was run, run, bull. So let me break that down for you guys. The left to right, this is the run of the T. And the top piece is the bull, the horn, the little thing that sticks out. Think of bull horns, this unicorn horn, however you want to do it. Run, run, bull. So what we have here is a black T. It is a 3/4 by 3/4 by half T. 3/4 on the run, 1/2 inch on the bull. So when these two repeat on the bottom, 3/4 by 3/4 by half, this is just a 3/4 by half black malleable T. Now, when you learn how to read a T, that is universal throughout every fitting that you are going to come across. Not fitting, but any piece of material. So it's going to be the same for black, it's going to be the same for PVC, it's going to be the same for copper, and it's going to be the same for PEX. So right here, I have a 3/4 by half copper T. 3/4 by 3/4 by half copper T. Here we have some PEX T's. I have a straight 3/4 brass PEX T. I have that 3/4 by half PEX T. But now, we're going to switch it up a little bit. I have a 3/4 by half T. Run, run, bull. And just so you know, when it's a different size on the run, you start with the larger first. 3/4 by half. So it's a very important skill. Believe it or not, there's a lot of guys that go 20, 30 years, they never really learn how to read a T correct. You know, they can tell you what they want, they can tell you how they want it, but there's always that level of uncertainty. Knowing how to read a T will set you apart and you'll be known as a professional in your field. It'll set you apart. So guys, I hope this helps you out. If you got something from this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks again. Have a great night, guys. Take care.